11334 Exeter Place Northeast. Sitting in the 6-inch pipe down the street, the max available on my reel. I'm going to pull back from here. This is all 6-inch concrete going down this street here. It's right in the middle of the street. Alright, coming around a turn into PVC here. So Y going upstream somewhere. Now we're into black ABS pipe. A little bit here. Clean out right there. Going back to 4-inch concrete pipe. You can see the erosion line going down the middle there. Looks like a break there. Turn, ABS, back to concrete. And 42 feet into the cast. And then the remainder of the way is all cast iron. Good shape. Ending the recording.